How to fix goal notes not showing on Instagram. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your Instagram app is up to date or not. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears at the right corner of it, you will see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now you can check whether the feature is working or not. At the top right corner, you're gonna see the message icon. Click on that. Now from here, update a new note. Make sure you have mentioned the word goal in your note so that it will appear in the gold color. In the case gold word is not working, you can use other words such as gold, Olympics, Olympian, podium, victory, medal, code, and torch. By using any of the word in your note, you can easily get the gold notes. Let me try the word Olympian. You can see that note has appeared in the gold color. Likewise, let's try another word. The note has appeared in the gold color. So, you can give a try to these words Olympics, Olympian, podium, victory, medal, gold, and torch. If still this feature is not working, you can head back, navigate to your profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down here towards the option of help. Click on the option of report a problem. Click on report problem without checking. Click on don't include and continue. Now here you have to explain that goal feature is not working in your Instagram account and you can send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you and your problem will be resolved. So this is how you can easily fix goal notes not showing on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.